Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use contact poster on your iPhone and iPad on iOS 17. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. It's pretty easy for you. For that you have to open phone, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to write the name of the person. Tap on plus and write the name of the person here. Okay guys, and tap here last name. Now also you can put the company name if have, then you can also put the phone number here. Once you have done this guys, tap on add photo. Now from here guys, you have to take a picture and you can use that picture as contact poster. And if you want to select from gallery, tap on photos. Now you can select the picture from your photos. Now if you want to add the emoji, tap on this emoji. Now from here guys, you have to select one of the emoji, like I'm going to select this one. Once you have done this guys, just simply have to select that one. So after that guys, tap on next if you want to do it. Now once you have done this guys, after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to customize this, tap on choose. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply tap on next. First of all, you can also change the backgrounds like this, tap on next. Now you can see here guys, if you want to use this poster for a contact, tap on update. Okay guys, let me update it. Now as you can see guys, you can also choose another emoji like this. Okay guys, tap on next. Now tap on done. Now as you can see guys, if you want to add the poster for the context, tap on continue. Let me show you here guys. As you can see guys, this is the poster for that contact. Okay guys, if you want to cancel it, tap on cancel and discard the changes. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.